should always close your fridge. If you forget to close your fridge, the floor will get cold and become ice. Your mom will slip and fall, causing her pasta to fly out and hit a construction worker, and he will faint. The jackhammer will roll away, accidentally hitting a fire hydrant. Water will splash out, causing sand to slowly become soft. The jackhammer will then fly into your room, and you will start running for your life. When you pass by the soft sand, you will get stuck and slowly sink in. After 1 week, a cow will think your hair is grass and eat it. You will then become bald forever. That's why you should always close the fridge. Yay!